So in a module 5, I picked partial derivatives and gradients. So in partial derivatives, we just derives the summation of x and respect to summation of x respect to x and summation of x respect to y. So we have a function here, x squared y plus 3xy squared. So we have to find the partial derivatives and the gradients. And to compute the gradients, we have point at the point 1 and 2. So the partial derivatives of f with respect to x is x, we have x squared y plus 3xy squared equals to 2xy plus 3y squared. Ano na ko mato na? So here we have in this function we have two squared exponent, so we just multiply the exponent and the x. We all know that x have an imaginary 1, so 2 times 1 is 2. So we just minus the 2 to 1 because we get 1. So 2x, we have 2xy plus 3y squared because here 3x is 3 times 1 y squared. So we get that 2xy plus 3y squared. The partial derivatives of f with respect to y, the same of x, but here we just respect to y. So all y we have to derive. So here x squared times 1, we just get x squared plus 3xy squared, we just multiply that 2 and 3, so we get 6xy. So we have x squared plus 6xy. In the gradient we just given by 0.12, so we just substitute the value of 1 to x and y. Here we get the gradient 16 and 13. So that's all.